Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Woodzman Adventures. As you already know, if you've been watching my channel, I have the Mavic Air and I have the MC case for the Mavic Air, which is got 3 cases, and this is actually the best case I've found so far. I really like it. So fits the Mavic Air perfect. Carries tons of accessories. But in case you didn't know, I also have another MC case for my new DJI Spark, and this case is super. Fits everything great. It's got enough places for I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batteries plus the one that's in it. Makes it 6 batteries. Your controller, it's got room under the controller. You can carry extra props. Got a place where I can carry my ND filters, my cord, my charger, my cord that I got for the controller. It's also got a place for your prop guards. Well, I don't have the Fly More combo. Mine was just the drone and the battery and the controller. So I've got room for prop guards, which I don't have. So if I get them, I can put them in there. It's got room for a lot of extra stuff. This case is really nice. I'll do a close-up where you can see it. Okay, as you can see here, this thing's made just like the other one, the Explorer case. This is the Explorer case for the DJI Spark. It's made just like the Explorer case for the DJI Mavic Air. It has the good buckles on it that last down really tight. This thing's waterproof, dustproof. It's got a good rubber seal up in here, which comes down over this raised spot here, and seals real good. When you pull it down, it pulls down tight and seals it up. So this is a good solid case, and it's unbelievable how compact this thing really is. So it fits great on a motorcycle in my saddlebags, or my panniers I should say. But it fits great in there. As you can see what I got in it, my controller, and then also underneath it, it has a piece of foam, which down in here you can put your extra props or whatever you wanted actually in there. The only extra props I've got now is a small 2-piece prop stuck down in here. Got plenty of places for batteries, 1, 2, and where this wire is at, there's one there, there's one over here where this is at. So got plenty of places for batteries. And then of course your Spark fits great in there. Nice cutouts. Got a place also underneath it you could put something. And then of course it's got all these places here for your prop guards, which I don't have because mine didn't come with it. And you got a slot here for different things. You could put, in this one you could actually put the cell phone. I've got my ND filters in here, a Polar Pro. So that just works like a champ right there. It's nice to have it in a case where it's totally protected. And it's got the foam on top so it's not going to bounce up and hit anything. Because on a motorcycle, it needs to be pretty shock proof being on a motorcycle, and especially going off-road and banging around. I wanted something that's going to hold it super secure, and the MC case is by far the best I've found. So works really, really good. Nice case. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. I'll bring you some more stuff later about the DJI Spark and the DJI Mavic Air. And of course all of my Africa Twin, Jeep Wrangler, and travel trailer adventures. And thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, catch y'all in the next video.